Hello friends, today we will be learning to make the Rakhi card for our brothers. For that we need a pencil and all the sketch pens you have. Color it as you want. So first we will fold the paper and then we will draw a circle like this. After drawing the circle, all you have to do just make a 5-petal flowers. Do make sure you are making all the flowers around the circle. You can make it at any places. First I have taken orange color. I'm making the flowers at 3 places. You can make 5 places. Then taking the yellow color. This flower I'm making a little bit different from the orange flower as you can see, and then using a 4-petal flower. Next I will be taking a red color. And again, as per my wish, you can use your wish and make a flower as you want. Next we will be taking blue color and then again repeating the pattern of making a flower. So this is how all the colors that you have, you can use them. Just make sure that you are using all those colors near the circle that we have created. Now there's my last flower, that is a purple flower that I am going to create, and my whole ring is now filled with flowers. Now color all the petals of the flowers that you have created with the color that you have created the flower. So I am filling all the colors to it, pink, purple, blue. You can create whatever color you want because this is your way of showing your love to your brother. Don't you miss going to home? But this Rakhi, I don't think this is much possible for all the sisters as this is Corona situation. But at least we can send our love through a Rakhi with a card for our loving brothers. So here I am filling the colors in all the flowers. That's how I want colorful world for my brother. Let it bloom with beautiful flowers. Now once this is done, all you have to do is take shades of green color that you have with you and just draw small circles and then try to make petals around the circle line that we have created. All you have to do, big leaves, small leaves, whatever gives the feel of a bush, a leaf, something green, that you can do. I am making a little bit going it outside. You can do it only around the circle. You can just make small circle if you are not comfortable with making the leaves. If you can do, then for sure make it the leaves and then keep doing it. You have to make sure that you complete the whole circle with some green color design. While I'm creating this, do let me know what is the other video you want to see. Please write it in the comments that what you want to learn. And I hope you have clicked on the subscribe button that is on below. So do click on subscribe button for more such videos. My circle is going to be ready, so I'm just making a little bit of bushes going in and around, which will give more beautiful feel to it, and that's how it is looking beautiful and complete. Now you can write what you want to write. I am going to write Happy Raksha Bandhan for my brother, since this is a Rakhi card for my side to him. So write happy in very small letters but capitals and draw 3 lines. Then in cursive way you have to write Raksha in first line and Bandhan in the second line, since you cannot write the whole word in one line as there won't be so much space for you. So do remember how much space you have, write it accordingly. भैया मेरे राखी के बंधन को निभाना, भैया मेरे राखी के बंधन को निभाना. So that's how I am completing my card. This is a beautiful card made by me for my loving brothers. Happy Rakhi, guys. Bye bye.